Let's make lunch together. So this is my go-to salad. It's so delicious, packed with nutrients, and it's pretty easy to make. So I'm using grape tomatoes, and I'm just washing my vegetables with cold water and some baking soda. And this is just to get rid of all the impurities. And I'll be using a whole cucumber for this salad. I always keep the skin on. However, you can peel it if you feel the need to. I think all the nutrients is packed in there. So I'm just cutting up my tomatoes, add those to my cucumbers. I'm using half of a white onion. I would normally use red onions, but I had none. However, the white onions are going to be a little stronger. So if you have red onions, go ahead and use those instead. I'm using a whole avocado. Of course, we can't forget the fresh parsley. Just chop up some parsley. If you don't have parsley, you can skip that. Or you could substitute cilantro, which will change the entire flavor, but you could give it a try. Half of a lemon, a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add some salt to that. You can add some pepper if you like. Mix that all in. And this right here is heaven. This was so delicious. I eat this straight up like this, but of course it pairs well with any meat, any fish. Follow for more easy and delicious recipes.